Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome to another video. And today we are going to talk about Git Bash and how to install it on Windows. First of all, let's talk about why Git Bash. Reason number one, it provides you Unix style command line environment in Windows. And it can be called as terminal for Windows. It also supports many default Linux, Unix or Mac OS supported commands. It gives you taste of Linux in Windows, and which is a very good sign for programmers. Now let's see how to install it. You have to download the exe file from the link in the description and then go to the file where it is saved, then double click on it and then installation wizard will pop up. Now click on next. Here if you want to check out these two boxes, you can click on it and click on next. Now you have to do nothing, just click on next, next and things will be done. So you can say Git Bash is installed and ready to use. Now if you guys face any issues in installation, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you guys like the video, hit the like button and do share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.